This is how YouTube consume a lot of your data without you knowing about it. So before you go ahead to watch YouTube, please make sure that you have turned off this particular setting I'm going to be showing you. So the very first one, let's go over to our YouTube. So locate your YouTube and then go ahead and open your YouTube, right? Now on my YouTube homepage, now watch what happens. You can see if I scroll even for a second, the videos will automatically start playing on my device, right? Now look at again. Once I scroll, you can see the video will start playing automatically. So this is how YouTube consume a lot of your data. Once you are online on YouTube platform, even without you watching the videos, it will start playing automatically on the background, and this consumes a lot of data. So for you to turn this off, all you just need to do is to come over to your profile page. So this is my profile page at the downside here. So go ahead, click on your profile. Once it is open, go ahead and click on where you have settings at the top right hand side. So open your settings, and once it is open, locate where you have general setting. So this is my general setting, and then go over to where you have playback in feeds. So open it. Now you can see by default, this particular setting has been set to always play videos once I'm on the YouTube home feed, right? So all you just need to do is go ahead and turn this off to save a lot of your data next time you are on YouTube. So once these particular settings have been turned off, then all you just need to do is to go back again and then scroll down, still on the setting, scroll down to where you have data saving, right? So click on data saving. Now right here you can see that this particular first setting is turned off, right? So what you are going to do is to turn it on to always save your data whenever you are on YouTube. Now once it is turned on, you can see by default all other settings right here have also been turned on. Now go ahead and locate the ones you want and turn them off if you don't actually want it. For instance, for this particular one that says reduce download quality, if you always download videos from YouTube and you want it in high quality format, please you can go ahead and turn this off, right? So the reduce video quality. So for this particular one, personally, I love the quality of the video I'm watching to be very, very high. So for me, you can just go ahead and leave this one on, right? But if you wish to turn it off, it's up to you. You can just take your time and look at every other settings here. Anyone that you know that will consume more of your data, just go ahead and turn them off. So once this is done, then here is the last setting that a lot of person don't know about, but it consume a lot of data even when they are on YouTube and when they are not on YouTube. So how do you locate the setting? Just locate your YouTube app and click and hold it, and these options will come out. Then go ahead and select app info. Once the app info is open, go ahead and click on where you have data usage. Sorry, I'm actually clicked on battery. So this is the main one we need to click on, data usage. So once you click on the data usage, it's going to show you the amount of data you are using on this place. Now this is the particular setting I'm talking about. It said background data. So this setting simply means that once it is actually turned on, YouTube will be consuming your data even when you are not on YouTube platform. It will be consuming your data from background even when you are not aware of it. So all you just need to do is to go ahead and make sure that you turn off this particular setting. Now you can see the notification here. Restricting background network access for this app might make it impossible for the app to work normally. So for me, just go ahead and click on OK and restrict background data so that you won't be using your data even when you are not on YouTube. So guys, this is how you can be able to set up your smartphone and make sure that YouTube doesn't consume more of your data. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to like the video, share the video, and also go ahead to subscribe to our channel. Turn on bell notification icon so you won't be missing any of our upcoming updates. See you in my next video.